Are you looking for a vacuum that offers exceptional cleaning power, versatility, and easy maneuverability? Canister vacuums might just be the perfect solution for your cleaning needs. Today we're counting down the top 5 best canister vacuums on the market right now. Whether you're battling pet hair, deep carpets, or delicate hardwood floors, there's something here for everyone. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Bissell Zing Canister Vacuum. The Bissell Zing Canister Vacuum has a name that makes it sound like it zips around like a flash, and it is actually lightweight and easy to move and maneuver. It performed well in our testing, picking up most of the debris on the first pass, with especially good results on hard floor surfaces. We didn't have any issues with hair tangles on the brush either. We were impressed with how well the attachments worked, easily grabbing pet hair off chair cushions and sucking up 95% of debris off upholstery on the first pass. The controls and parts are not as intuitive as we would have liked, though. The lever that you use to toggle back and forth between floor settings doesn't clearly identify the settings, and there's also a slider on the handle that adjusts the airflow. We had to experiment with different configurations to figure out which combination works best for the particular surface type and debris. Because of its lightweight design, this machine does tend to feel less durable than some heftier vacuums. The plastic feels somewhat fragile, and the handle came loose several times during our initial testing. We continued to see similar issues after using this vacuum for several months. Still, with its affordable price point, we felt this delivered a good value for the price. And it's bagless, so you'll never need to buy replacement bags. At number 4, we have the Miele S-Band Zero Classic C1 Pure Suction PowerLine. Miele is known as a high-end vacuum brand with machines on the pricier side, but the S-Band Zero Classic C1 Pure Suction PowerLine is its entry-level model, so it's a good option for those who want to give the brand a try at a less expensive price point. Given its name, it may not come as a surprise that this machine excelled at perhaps the most important thing most people seek in a vacuum: suction power. During our testing, it picked up most of the debris on the first pass and performed especially well on hardwood floors. This vacuum was easy to set up and was very quiet, even on the highest setting. It also did well when navigating around furniture and in cramped spaces. The canister itself has wheels and moves around easily, but the head doesn't move quite as effortlessly, particularly on plush surfaces. On thick carpeting, the suction power was almost too strong, causing the head to become enmeshed in the carpet and forcing us to work up a bit of a sweat trying to move it across the floor. For that reason, we wouldn't suggest it for shags. The attachments are easy to access and use, and the crevice tool worked well cleaning debris from upholstered furniture. The vacuum is easy to empty and has an indicator light that lets you know when the bag is full. Considering how well it performs, we consider this vacuum a good value, and the price is right in line with what you would expect to pay for a quality machine. Coming in at number 3 is the Kenmore Elite 21-8-4 Crossover Canister Vacuum. The Kenmore Elite 21-8-14 crossover came out on top as our favorite canister for vacuuming carpeted floors. While it was sufficiently effective on all floor types, it sometimes required more than one pass to pick up all debris on hard floors. It was relatively quiet during most of our testing. You could probably carry on a conversation while using this machine. Maneuverability was a mixed bag. While it did easily reach under furniture, the canister itself is on the bulkier side and was cumbersome to navigate around obstacles. We sometimes got tangled up in the hose. However, it did perform well on upholstered furniture, and we were pleased with the results when using the crevice tool, although the noise level seemed to increase when using that attachment. We had no issues with hair wraps on the roller brush. We spotted no hair on it after using it on carpet and minimal hair when cleaning hard floors. The process of emptying the bag wasn't as intuitive as we would have liked, as it took us a few minutes to locate and figure that out. Now we know. In the runner-up spot, we have the Kenmore Compact Bagless Canister Vacuum. This Kenmore compact bagless canister vacuum was among the lightest of all the machines we tested, which made it easy to carry, operate, and maneuver. That said, it still had the cleaning power to suck up almost all the debris in its path in just one pass. It did an awesome job on all floor types, too, and didn't require much effort on our part to push around, even on carpet. Another cool thing about this model is that it's bagless, so in addition to the already budget-friendly price, you'll also never need to buy replacement bags. When the dustbin is full, just empty it and it's ready to use again. We would have liked the cord to be a bit longer, although we did like that it's retractable. We experienced some hair wrapping on the brush, which took a little work to remove since you can't detach the brush from the vacuum head. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team PowerLine vacuum. This Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team PowerLine canister vacuum is a great choice for people with multiple floor types in their home. In testing, it performed well on all surfaces and transitioned from one to the next seamlessly, and it was especially effective on carpet and upholstered furniture. We were able to clean areas easily and quickly, even in places where more than one pass was needed. It was simple to adjust the settings using the dial on top of the canister. We found it easy to move and maneuver. Too, we had no issues swiveling around furniture and other items. It felt lightweight and glided across floor surfaces, requiring little effort on our part. With the exception of the hardwood floor head, all of the attachments are clipped to the handle, so they come with you as you move the vacuum and are easily accessible when you need them. We did experience some issues with hair tangles wrapped around the roller, and the vacuum doesn't include a tool for removing it. After 6 months, however, it's still performing well and has shown no signs of slowing down or reduced suction. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best canister vacuums. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.